Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Today we're covering Megogurus californica, or the Californian turkey. It is an extinct species of turkey to California, with a range from Orange County in the south through LA County to Santa Barbara County in the north, Pleistocene and early Holocene. Fossil evidence indicate the California turkey was stockier than the modern wild turkey of the eastern USA, with a shorter, wider beak, but was largely similar otherwise. It's one of the most commonly found fossils in the La Brea tar pits. Size-wise, though, the California turkey might have been intermediate in size between the smaller ocelot turkey and the larger North American wild turkey. This species was originally described as a type of peacock, the California turkey, or was first identified by samples found in the La Brea tar pits of Los Angeles, California, by Low H. Miller in 1909. He later changed his understanding and the theory, believing to be an intermediate species between peacocks and turkeys. It wouldn't be until 1924, over 100 years ago of this recording, that the findings were correctly classified as its own unique but extinct species, one that has been isolated from crossbreeding with other subspecies of wild turkey due to geographic location and physical barriers such as desert and surrounding mountains. Careful assessments and analysis of one of the last major studies of the bones and fossilized records of the California turkey was done in 1980 by Bosacci and Campbell. Also hypothesized that just like their modern counterparts, the California turkey utilized unique vocalizations to communicate with other turkeys. It may have been because of its ability to call to other members of its species that such a high number of birds were found in the La Brea tar pit. The theory is that the birds that became trapped in the tar would cry for help, which in turn would cause members of their flock to approach, who would also become stuck. Scientists also hypothesized that extant species, the golden eagle, was their most common predator, or the extinct Woodward's eagle. Other than the California turkey, the bones of golden eagles are the most commonly found in the La Brea tar pits, which may not be a coincidence. Along with eagles, the California turkey had to watch out for owls, coyotes, and cougars, potentially along with saber-toothed tigers or direwolves. Smaller mammalian carnivores such as the American badger and skunk could have preyed upon the nests of ancient turkeys. The turkeys also lived with animals of an exotic variety such as giant ground sloths, mammoths, and mastodons. Scientists have not been able to successfully retrieve DNA from the fossils. That being said, it appears unlike that it interbred with modern wild turkeys. Bones of the birds representing all stages of development from day-old chicks to nearly adult individuals have been recovered from the La Brea tar pits, providing one of the best records of life during the Pleistocene era. Nearly 12,000 bones representing more than 700 individual birds have been pulled from the La Brea tar pits. Today, it is believed that the California turkey arose evolutionarily about 11 million years ago and went extinct 10,000 to 12,000 years ago, thought to be caused by a combination of droughts, which would have forced turkeys to restrict their lives to areas close to water sources, and overhunting by humans who had arrived relatively recently into the region.